Now I'm going to go over some more mathematical crap. First one is a absolute value. If you don't know what that is, it's a distance a number is from 0. So you've probably seen one of these before. Stupid number line, which everybody hates. Here's 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 4. Here's negative 4. Absolute value is indicated by this. Two little bars. This is in math class. It would look like this. So now, if we're measuring how far 4 is from 0, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So even though it's negative, it's 4 spots from 0. 4, on the other hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's still 4. So basically, no matter what number is within these bars, it's always positive. So this will be 4. This will be 4. Negative 8. That'd be 8. So just get rid of the negative after. So if it's like 6 minus 8, that'd be negative 2. And negative 2, 1, 2 is 2 distances, 2 jumps from 0. So the result is 2. It's always positive. So that's how that works. The absolute value function, here, let me just write it up here. ABS, abs. I got those. I wish. But you put a number in there, so negative 3, and the result will be 3, just like that. Next one is square root. Square root is what times itself equals a number. I know that probably didn't make sense, but let's say 16. The square root of 16 is 4, because 4 times 4 equals, so 4 times is 12. 4, 8, 16, not 12, gosh dang. 4, 8, 12, 16. So I suck at math. So that's what a square root is. What times itself equals this number. It'll figure that out. So if we have the number 25 in here, the answer is going to be 5. If we have the number, let's say, 28.3, it's going to be probably something ridiculous that I don't know off the top of my head. Well, I do, but I don't want to show off my ridiculous math skills, so I'm just going to keep it a secret. Now, if you have a negative number in here, it's not going to work. The result will be null or nothing because you can't do that. For example, negative 25, what times itself equals negative 25? You might say, oh, negative 5, of course. Well, if we, by the rules of math, if we multiply a negative by a negative, it's the same thing as adding, or not math, gosh, I'm retarded. So you might say negative 5 times negative 5. Well, by the rules of math, this is the same thing as positive 25. Because if you multiply a negative by a negative, you still get a positive. So you can't use a negative number in a square root. It doesn't work. Well, it might. I can't prove that it doesn't, but if you give me a number that you can multiply by itself and gives a negative number, then you get a cookie. Yes, the last function. Aren't you so glad we reached the ending? Whew. And then we go on to date and time functions. But just gotta deal with it. So, truncate. This one's pretty cool. We can give it a number and it will cut it short a certain amount of digits. So like, if we gave it 36.3334 and we said comma to the second decimal place, the result will be 36.33. You see? So basically it'll just take whatever the second number is and count how many decimal places and cut your number short by that. So if I replace this with a 3, it'll actually give me 36.333 because that's 3 spots after the decimal point. If we put a negative number in here, let's say I put negative 1 like this, this is going to actually count left to the decimal point. So it'll get, okay, so here's a decimal point. Normally went 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go 1, 2. So 1, it's going to cut off here. So the end result is actually going to be 30 because we don't have any decimals because they got cut off. So it's going to cut all these off and the end result is going to be 30. The reason it gave us 30 is because that is a and important, you can't just get rid of it or we'd have 3, you see? So we need a, what's that called? Not important, gosh dang it. We need a spot holder to represent that it's not 3, but 30. That's why we put the 0 there, and the result is 30. So that is all for mathematical functions. Please subscribe because I'm almost at 300. I'm at 295, and I'm like counting down, and I'm going to throw a party by myself and make videos because that's what I do. Yeah, I don't need no friends. But anyways, please subscribe. Leave me some comments and like my videos because that's what I like. I like when you like my videos. I bet you like that I like when you like my videos, and I like that you like that I like when you like my videos. Woo! So anyways, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video, which will be over date and time and a bunch of other cool stuff. Don't want to miss it. So yeah, see you later.